this is where her Glock gets mounted on the back. Here she is all assembled, and assembly was very easy. Okay, so I mixed some blue candy into some 40/50 clear, gloss clear, and tested on a spoon first. That's how that looks on the left side of the spoon compared to the right. And it's time to shoot it. There it is. All right, so I have taken the base here, and the base is pretty small. It's not very large, and you can see there's a little flaw in the base here. That's okay. I'll cover it with the box, and I'm going to mark it with a pencil. And if you look here, you can see I have it marked. I'll probably end up marking it again. And also have her foot marked right here. Just see it. So for Danger Girl, I want to do a kind of a concrete base, kind of a warehouse type look. And I picked up this AK concrete, AK 8014, and very nice stuff here. It has a texture to it, and I'm just going to lay down a layer of this. And I taped up the edges, already sealed the board, but I want to put a thin layer on here, give me a warehouse floor texture. Doesn't need to be very thick. And just take some of the extra off. That's good there. Take a ruler here and lightly level it out with a steel ruler. That looks good there. Okay, I'm going to clean off these parts, and then I'm going to remove the tape while it's still wet. Let it set up just a little bit. Okay, so just a 40-50 clear. Kind of put it on thick, so definitely don't want to do that with the figure. Gotta let it dry. Okay, so we're gonna do the clear here a little bit. So she is complete. I took all the maskings off of her, and I'm very pleased with the finish of her bodysuit. The next step will be I'm going to put a pin in, a pin or a boot here on the back end, so it goes into the stand. So we'll be working on the stand next. So in order to start that and not let my drill bit get all crazy, I'm gonna take my scribing tool and just make a spot where I want to put the pin. And it's not going to go very deep. There we go. And go ahead and start with a smaller bit. Right there. Go ahead and put a larger bit on. And go. There. Bought myself a little package of this K&S metal pieces, and I should be able to find a little rod out of this to put on her foot. just like that. And I'll take some super glue. And a little rod. Just like that. And a little accelerator. And I'll let that rest. And that's what that looks like. This way I have a pin here and a pin right there. And just to give you a preview of what it looks like, so it has the look I want it to have. And it looks great so far. I took the tape off the edges and just need to put the lines into the concrete, do some weathering and some painting, but it looks great. Here she is complete, and I showed you how I painted her and what paints I used in the process. I didn't show you in detail how I painted her skin tones. That I'll reference to another video that's upcoming on how I paint skin tones. But anyway, I also showed you how I painted the base, or how I did the base. I didn't show you all the details with the base. There's an excellent video out there by AK Interactive that shows how to use their concrete mix to prepare the base. That's pretty much how I followed it, and I'll put a link down below on how you can find that video, but it was excellent, and I really enjoyed doing the base up. But she is complete. She's fantastic. Of course, this is Sydney Savage from the Danger Girls. She's Australian girl, and she's based on comic book characters of Danger Girl. And I would like to thank Heng Models for sponsoring me for this build. This is the first one of 3. I've got 2 more to do, but I think she's fantastic. I'll show you some footage that I filmed, and we will go from there. But you flip her around, kind of hard to handle. That's what I wanted the colors to do. I wanted them to change, basically. She was overcoated with some blue candies, and Absolutely wonderful kit. Five of us in total were sponsored by Heng Models to build this, and I'll show you those. Hard to hold her still there. Why don't you just lay her down? But that's how she looks. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up. So until the next Heng Model figure build, take care everybody, and happy modeling.